Tara, koron tayo. First part ng itinerary, maglambingan sa airport. Siyempre inaantok ka, pero kailangan pa ding maglambingan sa airport. Importante yun. After a short flight, we arrived at Coron. From the airport, the hotel shuttle service took us on a 30-minute ride back to our accommodations. Nakita ata nila ate kung gaano kami kahulas at pagod. Ayan, meron silang binigay na pamunas ng face. At syempre, meron din niyang kasamang welcome drinks. Habang nire-ready pa ang room, tara, kain muna tayo. Sakto, ready na yung room. Tingnan nyo, may complimentary fruits pa. After a quick rest and freshening up, syempre unahin natin yung pag-inom ng alak. Ganyan magbakasyon. Syempre, hindi pwedeng walang pulutan. After dinner, we decided to hang by the pool and have a quick night swim. That's all for day 1. See you tomorrow on our Coron Super Ultimate Tour.